Hello guys, my name is Abhishek Kumar. I belongs to Bujha. I belongs to Muzaffarpur, Bihar. So today I am going to talk about budget. Today date is 1 February 2025 and today is going to announce budget 2025. And in this budget, our finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman talk about budget to understand which sector how much money is spent in this year in instance of health, education, farmer, agricultural, machinery and service sector, public sector, on those other many sector, how much money is spent in on those sector. Tourism, how much benefit on tourism, how much facilitate on tourism. And in this year I listened in news Nirmala Sitharaman is wearing Madhubani sarees who is related to Bihar. So news is highlighted to Bihar is in focus in this budget, and because Bihar is not given any types of special aspects types of thing, so gives some amount of benefit in this budget. News highlight those types of things. So see what's happened after 11 a.m. budget will started, and in this time 11:40 time, that means budget is already started, but it is going to many hours. So after this session I watch some highlights what is a major focus on budget, which sector goes to a good amount of money and those things. In this year, good amount of tax collection in every types of tax. Through income tax in this year, 30% collection. This is a good amount of collection. And GST tax, it is around 28% of the total of all over tax. And exercise tax is around 8% and custom tax is around 6%. Corporate tax, जो sorry, who already decreases with time and sustain at a limited, not increase too much in few year. Corporate tax who is related to big businessman person stance of Ambani, Adani, Birla, those types of business and company who not give a lot of tax but their performance is increasing with time. That means government is much more focused to tax collection in middle class family, middle class and upper class and lower middle class people, but no much other benefit given by government. People are already frustrated because of this, because in every 100 rupees government takes around 30 to 35 rupees in their hard work of money, but in 35 rupees this government does not any types of facility provide in their education in other types of health. So let's see what kinds of benefit in this year given by or not by Nirmala Sitharaman, our Prime Minister, which is announced continuously 8 times as a as a finance minister announced 8 times budget. This is a most of the time by any other finance minister. Nirmala Sitharaman wear silky sarees who is related to Madhumani, related to Bihar. Bihar culture. That means someone speculate to Bihar is major focus in this all budget. And also I sometime before after budget started, some of the highlights I'd also see. Then one of them as artificial intelligence are also in focus in this budget, and 25,000 around some of the canal are given in one project to build something big for in this year. And some of the major highlight I can't remember in this time. So let's talk about other things. In total or overall tax, in overall taxes, 21% taxes given to the states, but government, central government, these types of thing is not doing. In previous year, it is only doing 9% of tax in total tax. It is also a problem because cent- I think, sorry, state government are also provided some of the facility in their district, in their villages, who they are promised on those types of things. So it is also required a lots of money and their scheme. So in this time, and people are also much more frustrated about taxes. A lots of taxes increases after one and more. So let's see what scams of discounts and subsidies given in this year in budget. And major big economists are also said in every 100 rupees 25% rupees are going to a political distribute or their charity and their party promotion and those types of things to build a new government and other any promotion after in time of election. So this is a very bad thing after doing by government. This is not doing, please. 6 times more than invest in these types of things like political promotion and more than healthcare and education it is than this. You think if 6 times money are invested in health and education, India is going to a good in those sector health and education. In this time India is bad in those things. In health education, sorry, health is very costly with time. Health is with time become very costly, and education are also become with time very costly. Some of the government colleges are very good, but it is less than 5% college, and 95% college are private colleges who are grab them, and after the time government college are decreasing and their performance are also decreased with time. This is a very bad because government are not focused on those sector. In 100% of the collection of 100% collection of GDP, their 2% less than 2% contribution of health sector. You think this is very bad thing to invest by our government. So please, in this time, something good news coming in those sector, and also farmer and agriculture sector because they are very hardworking, and after at the end of cutting harvesting first seeds and their all crops, they can't give good amount of money after selling their crops, and can't live in the normal life after doing it a good amount of hard work and performance, can't give a good amount of money in their crops. So government are let's also focus on those things And some of the major highlights I am also doing in today's 1 February started starting also financial evaluation banking awareness for our latest examination. Today 1 February today in lecture I focus I learn in those lecture about financial inclusion. Do you want to learn about financial exclusion? So listen, financial inclusion is a service provided by business correspondent whose place where banking services and products are not available that place. So by the government, by the bank, by the business correspondent, which place and which those things provided on those places by business correspondent to those sector provided business, how to open a bank account, how to credit card use, debit card use, and UPI, UPI Lite, and all of things know those person. PMJY scheme, in this scheme, Pradhan, our Prime Minister launches a PMJY scheme. Through this scheme, BDBSA, yani Basic Saving Bank Deposit Account. Through this, people are opening a zero saving bank account. Means does not require any a zero limit bank account. And in those bank account, 1 lakh rupees you can easily put that easily deposit in a single year. And at a time of deposit, at a time 50,000 rupees, not more than 50,000 rupees at a single time. And in a month we withdraw around 10,000 rupees in a single month. In every month you withdraw easily 10,000 when maximum. So these types of, and also I read about asset liability. Asset is which thing and service and product sell for money and give take a cash amount. Liability is obligation. Liability gives you responsibility to given by loaner, and you have a responsibility to after some time liable for that and given to all those money or all those service for to them. Today I am learn in those things I highlighted those things: financial inclusion, business correspondent, which person gives you service and gives you a knowledge about service and product on a huge area where nobody known about banking awareness, banking account, and banking, who already who does not know about bank deposit any other thing, only transaction in cash. Gives a knowledge about something like that about online sector in today's world. Our share market in 2024 around 46 million new demat account open. It is a huge number seen in an CDSL, Central Depository Scheme Limited by CDSL and NSDL. It both are depository and demat account opening like through Grow, Upstocks, Angel One. Motilal Oswal, and any other thing. For this, you can easily open your Demat account and your any types of Demat account which for trading, share market, long-term share market, short-term share market, equity market, optional trading, intraday, mutual fund, gold investment types of things put in how many labor in India, which one of them you, if 100 labor, as an example, if 100 labor are available in India, in 100 labor around 52 labor are related to agriculture sector. So you can think agriculture sector aspect what very big. 52% 52% of labor are related to agricultural sector. Agricultural sector provide 80% of tax in our country. Most of them are service sector and many other sectors. Primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector. Primary sector related to agricultural, secondary sector related to machinery, mobile sector, and third are service sector related to bank, LIC, and Infosys, TCS, those types of sector. So in budget, what's happened? Let's see. I am very interested. I am very interested to know about what is going in budget. Nirmala Sitharaman is talking in English, so I am also going to watch what is talking English, and it gives me help how to improve my English and understand a good language, because Nirmala Sitharaman ji English is too good. Their language is very high level, like the Hindu level. It use good amount of very high level of word. I listen this recording 2 minutes of their sessions in budget. This is a going to high, and their sounds like a French woman. So I am going to watch those things and understand what is going in budget, and if I research on this sector and what is going on budget. So next day, yeah, that means 2 February 2025. Let's talk about what is happening in budget. 10 major highlights point in I am highlighted in next session, next my videos. So let's very interested to talk about. So guys, this is my English word copies. You see how I am highlighted good amount of word who I don't know and I am confused their verb, adverb, and pronoun. Which sector is the come brook that means tolerate. Discerning that means your mind is very sharp. Competence that means capability. Bearing BARRING, bearing that means expect, accept. Thereby as a result, accommodate that means feel, trying to feeling those things. Recalibrate that means that means once more. Calibrate that means adjust, trying to adjust those things. Specter that means doubt. Incorrigible that cannot be corrected. Compliment that is praise. Compliment. And one of them is COMPLEMENT, that means complete. RESCIND that means rescind, remove, revocal. ruling that means judgment, verdicts that means judgment, own up, conference, confess or admit, own up that means confess or admit, laudable that means it is a form of adjective, and that is admirable, commendable, praiseworthy, irreproachable that means that cannot be criticized, that means irreproachable, untenable that cannot be judged by anyone, that cannot be justified, because he is telling a right but he can't justify them, he is telling a right but he can't prove them, he is telling a right. Did you understand? You are telling a right but you can't prove them, you are telling a right. That types of meaning is untellable. Okay. Delegate, passing the responsibility, delegate करना, sorry, delegate, doing delegate that means passing the responsibility to the next person, that means delegate. Relegate करना gives a lower rank, that means depromotion, that means gives a lower rank. Reap what you sow, reap what you sow that means get result for your effort, get result for your effort, that means reap what you sow. Leave no stone unturned, I keep no stone unturned, put every possible effort. That means conservative, what is meaning of conservative that means stop them, barrier, obstruct them, contain them, gives to rule, create a new rule. Adolescent and that means whose boys and girl whose guys their age is 14, 15, 16, in between 14 to 20, that called adolescence. Stringent that means strict person, capsize that means any type C gives you a fraud person. Creating, creaking that means very bad. Put off that means postpone. Veneration that means respect. Erogated that means very bad doing. Abrogate that means remove them, revoke them, that types of person. Plutocracy, rule by rich people. Plutocracy that means rule by a rich people. Aristocracy that means ruled by a noble high class person. Democracy ruled by a people. Renounce that means remove, resign them, restrict them, resign them that means denounce that means criticize. Melancholic that means sad tone, that is melancholic. Paul that is a form of noun, that means of sadness. Environment of sadness. Mental, role or responsibility pass it down to someone. Mental that means role and responsibility pass it down to someone. Decree that means order. Gloomy that means sadness. Virtue that means good thing. Critically short, critical short means very large in numbers. Critical short that means very more, a lots of back, a lots of decreasing, highly decreasing, in going to speed in decreasing form, going to decreasing form. Critical is going to speed decreasing form. Substantial that means important. Vernacular that is called local. Ex exactelt yani praise, that is praise. Indispensable that means more important. Invaluable that means on their cost cannot be calculated, that is invaluable. Obscure that is not clear. Fray that means tension, frail, rivalry, fraud, those types of things. Antiquity that means history, ancient types of things. Apprehend, to arrest. Apprehension, fear. Comprehend that means understand those things. So let's those types of things. That's my motivation. After reading, I feel motivated. You also make those types of copy and write something good to any types of demotivation things. You after reading this you feel motivated. This is my medicines given by my father. That's all about it. This is my nail cutter. After my after my nail is increasing and I cut them through using this. This is very helpful rather than using blade is risky. Cut any types of your muscles, but it is not any risky. So use these types of things for cutting your nail. I also use noise headphone. Let's see. This is a very not a good match as I one of them. This is too good. Company is same, but problem of this headphone is easily remove my ear this and easily fall. This is a I not like them as much as white. Also a form of noise. This is my pen. I use a Linklaser pen because it meet at a road in free, and I have these types of pen I am using. I am using different types of color of pen. This is a blue, red, black, and green. So, and I am also using highlighter to highlight a major things in my notes and books and my notes copy. Highlighted them through this and too good looking, then easily remember in my mind. So today it's that's all of it. Let's see what is happening in budget. आपसे कुशवाहा signing out. That's राधे राधे.